Hello, welcome to a sales video from the Tech Forge. This sales video is for an Amiga A600 motherboard, revision 2D. The board came in as completely dead with a black screen. Traces have been repaired and all of the capacitors have been replaced. Both electrolytic surface mount and surface mount capacitors have been replaced with high quality Panasonic capacitors. The board has been tested for RGB video and for sound and for joystick and mouse successfully. The PC card slot has not been tested. The hard disk slot has not. Hard disk connector has not been tested. The composite and the RF ports have not been tested. Neither have the serial, the parallel, or the disk drive ports. Neither has the internal memory expansion connector been tested. There are also signs of a previous repair. A slightly melted connector there for the red sound connector, and also a little scarring to the keyboard connector. This is for the bare board only. There is no mouse, joystick, floppy drive, cables or power supply included. It is only the board. I will now demonstrate the board booting. There we have the Kickstart 2 screen, and now to load a game.